Guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Cheryl. In today's video, we are doing a little get ready with me fall edition, fall/autumn edition. If you guys want to see how do I get this look, please keep watching. Before we start, can we just take a second to subscribe to my channel and follow my Instagram, and let's get started.
Guys, I have to do a bit of a voiceover because I just woke up here and I was not speaking loud enough. I think Natasha Denona is the best concealer in the market, super brightening and creamy. I love it. I also want to say I put the palette in front of my face for the whole video. I didn't even know it. I think because I'm not used to filming and I just completely didn't realize it. I'm so sorry. And I got scared here after I looked at myself. I saw how pale I am.
Honestly, I feel like the longer I put on makeup, less is more sometimes. I really love this milk contour, but it just always kind of ruined. Like,
basically, this is my second milk contour and both of them have the same problem. It just broke the twist.
How are you guys doing? It's kind of getting winter here in London. To me, it's kind of already winter. I feel like in London, we always skip autumn, you know, like, I mean, I know that it's autumn, but I just don't feel like it's autumn anymore. I kind of tried to avoid looking at the camera earlier because I don't know how it looks so white, because I'm not that white. It's like, I probably need a coffee, that's what I need. And then now we are going for the, I'm trying to still getting over that summer is over. It's autumn, it's winter. I'm still putting the darkest shade of contour stick, which I don't think is my shade anymore, but you know what? If it makes you happy, why not? That's what makeup is for, right? Anyways, I'm a bit too much sometimes. Yeah, I kind of just woke up. I feel like my mood is still in the sleeping mood, but I really want to film a get ready with me video. I want to use a warm shade. Oh my god. Like, I swear to god, I thought I blend quite well. Like, what's going on here? Okay, let's blend more.
In person, it's not blended. I don't know what happened to this camera, but anyways, I'm working on that. I swear to god, people are gonna freak out. I just lean forward and stare at the camera.
Trust the process. So, set our face. I don't even want to look at myself, like, it looks a bit horrendous. I think when we blend everything out, it's gonna be fine. Let's just set the contour first. Bronzing shade. Been using this for ages. Like, if you guys know any good one, leave a comment down below and let me know. I normally like to contour, bronze, and then set the bronzing shade with my bronzing powder.
Clearly something is wrong with me. I can't even speak. I guess I really needed that coffee. But you know what, guys? The truth is I don't even drink coffee. No joke. I think I'm starting to wake up here though.
Okay. Let's set our under eyes. Okay. Guys, actually, let me know. What is the first treatment you do when you're first getting into 30s? Is it Botox? Because I'm thinking to get some Botox around here. Okay. To be honest, in reality, I like to leave the powder on and then just wipe it off at the end. But I don't want to look like a clown for the rest of the video. Let's just do the brow first. I'm using the NYX Brow Glue.
I actually want to find another best brows product for my Asian brows. If you have any recommendation, please let me know.
I am using, as always, have not changed anything. These days I like to contour my lips though, not gonna lie. Like, guys, you know, like, this season is so burgundy and dark brown is so in. Have you guys started to buy a lot of dark brown and burgundy clothing? To be honest, I just feel like burgundy clothes is really good for like a jacket, and the heels is really good. But for me, the top, I think it just doesn't really suit my body color. It just makes me look super Chinese. I don't know, I feel like a little bit of an envelope. But I think it's just Me overthinking it as always, like all the girlies. But yeah, honestly, I love makeup so much. Guys, if the brows, they're not perfect, don't worry, you can clean it up. Because sometimes if I'm rushing, I don't even look. And sometimes my brows just end up looking like one is super thick and one is like alright. Oh, and I have a new habit that I like to contour my lips now. Because I don't like using lip liner, right? I just don't like the lip liner look was never for me, personally. I like it a bit more blurry, like blended vibe. Oops. I'm actually going to eat dim sum today. I've been thinking about this for a few days. Like, honestly, I'm letting myself eat more these days. Because I was kind of strict during summer, you know, like I was counting calories and stuff. But anyways, these days I have a little habit that I use Anastasia brows gel. Like I said in the last video, I don't really like it, but I don't want to throw away. But it does bring the brow hair back to life a bit. You see this one? Look. Just the brow just makes it look a bit more like, not as stiff, let's just say. Oh yeah. Honestly, I'm using so many natural lights and I don't know why I look so pale. Like, I cannot deal with this. So for my eyes, so there are a few palettes that I wanted to choose from. So this is my classic. I've been using this for a while. I really like this shade for autumn and winter. I think it always makes me look good. And my friend gifted me this palette. I mean, I do like it, but sometimes it doesn't look so natural, you know what I mean? I bought this one from Japan, so I don't know which one should I choose. What I'm gonna wear later. I'm gonna wear brown. Pretty autumn shade as well. Do you know what, guys? I'm gonna mix these two palettes. Like, this is such an autumn vibe, but it kind of matches my hair. We're gonna mix these two, okay? Start with this. I'm using this shade right here. I think my favorite part on the face is definitely eyeshadow. I think it's the only way to make your face look different every time. That's why I love makeup, you know. It's just very playful. I like different shade, different vibe for different look. I think I'm gonna use this shade now. This shade. I mean,
I just went ahead and do the other eye. I'm quite focused here because I take my eyeshadow seriously.
it's more like a chocolate brown, dark red shade anyways. I'm gonna put a little bit of this shade. God, I'm so sorry, my palette was kind of dusty. But not gonna lie, like maybe at some point I'm gonna buy a big palette of Natasha because it's really pretty.
I just popped the golden bronzy shade in the middle.
Actually, I just popped this. I love using my fingers, guys. I need a little bit more brown. So like one back. Using a more fluffy brush, I want to pop a little bit of this in the outer corner as well. And to kind of blend everything together, I want to put this shade matte on. That's it. That's better. Guys, with eyeshadow, always blending is key. Then I will do the eyeliner. I feel like, to me, autumn and winter is so much more like a warm brown. Oh, I'm gonna use this shade again and see is it pigmented. Yeah, it's good. Just blend it. If you want to take it to next level, I'm gonna blend this shade with the eyeliner. It's gonna bring the whole look together. So for eyeliner, I use this shade, right? It's two different palettes. And I'm gonna blend this shade. Eyeliner, this shade, this background, blending it with this shade, warm tone. Like a little bit. we're gonna do a little cleanup. So I'm using my Maybelline, not the under eye one, but for the rest of my face, just a tiny bit. I'm using the Airbrush. Clean this up. See, guys. Okay, now we need to contour our nose. This was supposed to be our first step, to be honest. Cover the corn palette, as always, using the lightest shade. I like to mix all 3 shades for my lips. Actually, no, do the last 2. Okay. Okay, now let's do some mascara. As always, Kiss Me Mascara. You know what, guys, because I don't use any lip liner, I'm gonna try to start bringing my eyebrows powder to kind of redo the lips because it looks good. No? The whole summer I've been using this shade, Freckle. And I know this is so much. Oh my god, that's so dark. Let me use Freckle first. Pop my mascara on. As you guys can see, I look more like a human being. Just a bit of Freckle. Oh my god, I'm that person that always like to put a lot of blush. Guys, should we try to risk it? Should we try to put a tiny bit of our winter shade, Toasted Teddy? Well, let's be toasted, guys. Maybe this looks really scary. Let me try just a little bit here. Oh, it's actually not that bad. It's kind of winter autumn shade. No? Is it not? It's when I like to take things far. I always like to overdo things. This is just like a personality, like a... Oh, I love it. Oh! Me, when I put on the blush. That's it, guys, it's finished. Whole personality is on. Okay, I love it. Oh, I kind of like it. Can you imagine a pimple here? It's super painful, and it's super painful. Should we do more like a natural during the day sort of highlights? Let's just do that. Wait, I'm gonna use the Milk makeup. It's very natural, guys. I feel like the finger melts everything together. Oh, it's not a personality, guys. The most important highlight for me is here. Obviously the brow bone tool. I know this little step is super basic, but this step, it kind of draws the whole look together. It just makes it look like your brows is super tidy, isn't it? I think that is it, you guys. Okay, so I've been obsessed with 2 lips products, so but the other one I've been using it too much, so I'm using Summer Friday Pink Sugar, I believe. Guys, you know they come up with a mini set that has 4 the other shade. Like, do I need that? Probably don't, but do I want that? I kind of do. Anyways, girl's problem. I mean, it's not bad, isn't it? Okay guys, that's the finished look. Okay guys, that's the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video, getting ready with me. And yeah, I'm gonna go and get some dim sum. If you guys like today's video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel and follow my Instagram. Leave a comment down below. Let me know if you have any lips combo that I should try, because I'm kind of into lips at the moment. And if you guys like today's autumn makeup look, if you guys like to see these sort of get ready with me videos, let me know. I'll see you guys next time.